Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to withdraw from Quidax. Quidax is a platform that supports Nigeria for now and is the easiest way to buy and trade your crypto. You can deposit through um, your Naira fiat currency and also convert the Naira to crypto and and it's going to be trading the market. And also you can withdraw from the platform. So I'm going to show you how to withdraw from this platform right now. So, but before I do that, kindly like and subscribe to this channel. By so doing, you support me, and that's the only thing that I want from you guys. I do not, I do not give out anyhow content. So when I drop an update, I believe it's gonna help you. So kindly like and subscribe to this channel. Okay, guys. So let's go over it quickly. So you will head over to your wallet. For you to make a withdrawal, you head over to your wallet and click on it. But mind you, if you want me to drop a video on how to make transfer your money or convert your fiat currency to crypto in this Quidax platform, just let me know in the comment section below and I'll do just that. So today I'm gonna be concentrating on how to withdraw your money from the Quidax platform. So you just head over to your wallet here, right here. You click on it and just click on it. After clicking on it, you select the crypto that you want to convert. Like I have I have withdrawn from this. So this is where my money is right now. My money is right here. You can see I have 4,900 value. So I'll click on it. So after clicking on it, you come over to this trade. Now, if you look over here, firstly, you can see that the time I deposited this particular amount was on the 7th of January. So it will reflect right here. So now the money has grown a little. So I want you to withdraw from it. So I'll just come here over here and click on the trade and come over to swap and swap it and then click the amount I want to swap to. You can see that is the total amount and then I'm swapping. You select the crypto. Okay, select the crypto from here, select here. You search for the crypto that I want to swap. I'm swapping from Floki. This is the one I want to swap to. So I'll click on it. I've clicked on it and I'll select. You can see it is showing here. So I'll select maximum and you can either select to try to buy 50% or 25% or 75%. So, but this is the one I've just selected. So I'm gonna convert it to cash and then I will change it. I want to change it to convert the crypto to Naira. So I'll click on NGN and it will be converted. So this is the available money that will be deposited to my account after few seconds. So I'll just click over here, swap it immediately. Just you have to wait a little while for it to swap. Let's just wait for a few seconds. Okay guys, it is completing the swap. Now while it's completing the swap, I'll just go over to go to wallet and click on go to wallet. And now you can see that it has been swapped automatically and this is the available balance that it has been swapped. So remember there are charges on it. So you swap it to 700 and what is reflecting is 798. So this is the amount that I can send to, I can withdraw guys. So I'll click on this withdraw. After clicking on that withdraw, now you select the bank that you want the money to be transferred to. So now I will just type the amount that I want to withdraw. This is the available amount, so I'll type it here. So I'll type 798, and you can see the withdrawal fee is 200 naira. So you click on here. Okay, insufficient balance. So whenever it shows like this, I want you to understand I have to go and reduce the amount so that the broker can charge its own fee. So there's a particular fee that the broker always charges from your balance. So what I have to do is just to subscribe. You have to subtract 200 naira from this. So that will be, if you subtract 200 naira, that will be 5959. Let's keep it at 5509. Okay, 200 naira has been subtracted from this amount. That 200 naira is going to cover up for the charges the broker charges from you. So you continue. You can see now that it is showing withdraw with direct transfer, and funds will be transferred to your bank account. So I click on continue. Now I have linked my wallet initially. Before this can show you, they will tell you to, the platform will indicate where you link your wallet. You just have to go ahead and link select any of the bank accounts that you are using and insert it here. And then after insert it there, you click on continue. Okay, you click on continue. So I have done transfer in this platform initially, so that's why it's showing this. So I'll just click on it. After clicking on it, now I'll click on continue. Now I'll enter my 6-digit code. I'll enter my 6-digit code from the Google Authenticator. So if you want me to make a video on how to set up a Google Authenticator for this platform, just comment below the description of this video and I'll do just that. So I'll just head over and copy my code from the Google Authenticator in the app. So this is where I have it. So this is the Google Authenticator. I'll copy it. So you head over to Quidax. So this is the code I'll copy. So I'll just hold it, copy it, and head back over to the app and insert it. Click continue, and then come over here, click on continue. Woo! So that's it, guys. That's how to withdraw your money from the Quidax Exchange. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that I can receive more videos when I post them, and also turn on the bell button. See you in the next video.